Welcome to our professional wireless security camera solutions in Tampa. Perfect for remote areas, fields, farms, or any location without electricity or internet. Securing properties in hard-to-reach locations can be challenging. Traditional wired cameras may not work where wiring isn't practical or power isn't available. Our wireless security cameras are designed for these remote situations. We provide battery-powered, solar-powered, and custom server solutions to ensure seamless surveillance. No wiring needed. Easy installation in any location. Plus, multi-site integration lets you monitor multiple places from a single interface. Access your footage anytime, anywhere. Our cloud-based recording and remote viewing give you the convenience to manage your security from your smartphone or computer. These solutions are ideal for agricultural fields, farms, construction sites, and utility areas. Protect your property even in off-grid locations. We create custom setups designed for your unique requirements. Our experts ensure optimal performance, so your property is always secure. Experience the peace of mind we offer with our cutting-edge technology. Ready to transform your security setup? Contact us today for a custom quote on our wireless security cameras in Tampa. Your property's safety is our priority.